Session resume.
Good afternoon, Mr. Speaker. We are now on bills on second reading in our order of business. May we recognize the chair of our Committee on Rules to present the committee report number 19.
MP Attorney Shadu Mama, the chairman of the Committee on Rules, is recognized.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Speaker, esteemed colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On behalf of the Committee on Rules, I am happy to present to this august body the results of the committee's stakeholders consultation and deliberation on Parliament Bill number 192, or the proposed Bangsamoro Legal Holidays Act. As you may recall, the bill was filed by the government of the day to regulate the observance and declaration of holidays in the region in view of the significant role that holidays play in our society and its impact to individuals in different sectors. Before deliberating upon the proposed measure, committee invited stakeholders to submit position papers and to participate in a focused group discussion designed to facilitate a relaxed, intimate, and insightful discussion between the representatives and the members of the Parliament. The Committee on Rules invited representatives from the government workers and policymakers, the academe, the business management sector, labor sector, religious sector, and the health sector. The focus group discussion allowed the members of the Parliament to gather useful insights on the impact of holidays and the existing policy of the regional government on holidays from the representatives of the sectors mostly affected by the declaration and observance of holidays in the region. Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues, the Committee on Rules has harmonized the important, albeit diverse and sometimes competing interests of the different segments of our society on holidays, and hereby endorses to this plenary a proposed law that promotes a framework on holidays that is clear, consistent, predictable, inclusive, and attuned to the distinct historical and cultural heritage of the Bangsamoro region, and adaptable to the socio-economic policies of the government of the day. If I may quote the declaration of policy in this proposed law, the Bangsamoro government shall recognize the observance of regional and local public holidays that preserve and promote the rich history, tradition, and cultural heritage of the Bangsamoro and other regions, other peoples in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARM, reflective of their system of life as prescribed by their faith, uphold the rights and well-beings of workers, and promote the vibrance and competitiveness of the regional economy. Mr. Speaker, esteemed colleagues, we place our hope in this Parliament and humbly ask for the immediate passage of this bill, considering its implications to our historical and cultural heritage, the well-being of our people, and the health of our economy. Thank you, and may Allah guide us all. Allahumma Amin.
Mr. Speaker, I move that we adopt the committee report number 19 for deliberation.
There is a move to adopt committee report number 19 for deliberation of this body. This is seconded. The said resolution is approved. The said motion is approved.
I move to open the period of interpellation.
There is a move to open the period of intervention. There being no objection, the said.
Mr. Speaker, may we recognize the Honorable MP Bayintan Ampatuan.
MP Engineer Bantan Ampatuan is recognized, to be followed by MP Attorney Shark Mastura.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Full disclosure, I am member of the Committee on Rules, but I have some reservation, specific reservation, but just for educational purposes. I have few questions with regards to this bill. Number one, Mr. Speaker, we have this proposed bill because we want to answer a particular problem or concern in the implementation of holidays. Mr. Speaker, may I know from the proponent if that objective still remains with the committee report that was presented earlier?
Mr. Speaker, if I may,
You may proceed.
we have already reflected the committee amendments in the bill that already show that there will be three kinds of holidays: the regular non-working holidays, special non-working holidays, and special working holidays, Mr. Speaker. In this way, we are guaranteed